Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I make English simple, clear and real. Today we are diving into one of the most common and confusing verbs in English, get. It's everywhere. Get ready, get lost, get back to work. But what do these expressions really mean? In this lesson, I'll teach you 10 everyday phrases with get that will help you sound more natural and confident in conversations. Let's get started. The first one is get up. Get up. This means to rise from bed. For example, I usually get up at 6 a.m. Or she got up late this morning. Next is get ready, which means to prepare yourself. You could say, hurry up and get ready for school. Or they got ready for the party quickly. Phrase 3 is get home. Get home, meaning to arrive at home. What time did you get home last night? Or you could say, I got home early because the meeting was cancelled. Now, let's look at get lost. Get lost. It can mean to become lost. We got lost in the forest. But it's also a rude way to tell someone to go away, especially when you're annoyed or upset. Like, get lost. I don't want to talk to you right now. So be careful with that one. Then we have get back. Get back, which means to return. You can say, I'll get back to you later. Or he got back from London yesterday. The sixth phrase is get over something. This means to recover, either from an illness or an emotional situation. Here's an example. It took her weeks to get over the flu. Or he's still getting over the breakup. Phrase 7 is get along with someone. This means to have a good relationship. For instance, I get along well with my colleagues, or they don't get along well with their neighbors. Then there's get in touch. Get in touch, which means to contact someone. You might hear, I'll get in touch with her this week. Or please get in touch if you have any questions. The ninth expression is get the hang of something. Get the hang of something, which means to learn how to do something. Here's an example. You get the hang of driving soon. Or I'm still getting the hang of the software. And finally, get going. Get going. This means to start moving or begin an activity. Let's get going or we'll be late. I need to get going. See you later. Here's a tip. Don't try to translate phrasal verbs like get over or get along word by word. Focus on the full meaning instead. Now it's your turn. Can you write one sentence with a get phrase? Share it in the comments and I'll help you check it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English. Thanks for watching. See you next time.